This is Saxon Algebra 2, Lesson 70 on page 294. Guys, there's only 2 examples. Short lesson also. So 3 short lessons today. However, you guys have to understand how to do this, because we did algebra like this today in pre-calculus, but it felt so much harder, okay? But the rules don't change, all right? So we're going to solve some abstract equations for one of the variables in the equation following the rules of algebra. So example 1, we're going to solve for b. X equals p times 1 over a plus m over b. What's the first thing I should do?
Distribute.
Distribute. That is correct. Distribute the p. When I distribute a constant to fractions, you're multiplying the numerator by that value. So x equals p over a plus pm over b. Next step.
Common denominator, so multiply p.
No. I have an equal sign.
Oh.
Cancel the denominator.
Eliminate the denominator. I'm going to eliminate the denominator by multiplying every term by?
What is effectively 1?
No. That's if I have no equal sign.
The common denominator.
So what?
It's AB.
AB.
So you have
Multiply every term
So X would be AB.
by AB.
I do not have it.
AB. AB. Guys, you have to remember these rules. You have to remember the rules. If I have no equal sign, that's when I'm multiplying by what's effectively 1. If I have an equal sign, that's when I'm eliminating the denominator. So I end up with ABX equals, cancel before I multiply. That's BP. Cancel the B before I multiply. Plus PMA. I want B equals, so what do? Next. Yes.
Distribute or take out all the x's on one side, or the what do you?
Yes, every term with a B in it on one side of the equal sign. So every term with a B in it to one side of the equal sign. So I end up with A, B, X minus B, P equals P, M, A. Now, what do I do next?
Take out the b and
Factor out the B. When I factor out the B, it's as though I'm dividing by the B. Right? You're going to have to just understand that next year. Then last step. Last step. David.
Divide by what's in parentheses.
Correct. So B equals PMA over AX minus P. All right, let's go over the steps. First thing, distribution. Right? We distributed. Then we eliminated the denominator. After we eliminated the denominator, whatever I'm solving for, I moved every term with that constant in it to one side of the equal sign. Once I had every term with B in it on one side of the equal sign, I factored out the B. Then once we factor out the B, you divide by what's not B on both sides. All right? Let's look at example 2. There are only 2 examples. All right, here we're going to solve for C. These types of lessons are in this textbook to really etch in your brain the rules of algebra. You have to be so familiar with the rules of algebra that you can move into pre-calculus. All right, so we distribute the M. When we distribute it, you're multiplying it by the numerators. So we have XP equals MB over 1 plus C plus MA over P. Now what do? David?
So you want to eliminate the denominator.
Yes.
So multiply by P, open parentheses, 1 plus C.
So every term by P1 plus C. P1 plus C. P1 plus C. Alright, the 1 plus C eliminates here, the P eliminates here. I'm going to distribute the P first. So we have P plus PC times XP equals MBP. Now I'm going to distribute the MA to the 1 plus C. So it's plus MA
Plus MA.
plus MAC.
Mac.
Now we'll distribute the XP. So I have XP squared plus XP squared C equals MBP plus MA plus MAC. I'm solving for C. I'm going to move this one left and I'll move this one right. So I'm going to subtract XP squared and I'm going to subtract MAC. So I have every term with a C in it on one side. Every term on the right hand side has no C in it. So it's XP squared C minus MAC equals MBP plus MA minus XP squared. On the left, I factor out the C. It's like I'm dividing those terms by C. And I have C times XP squared minus MA equals MBP plus MA minus XP squared. I divide both sides by what's in parentheses. It eliminates on the left-hand side. XP squared minus MA. Final answer. Can I cancel out the XP squared or the MAs?
No, because they're not multiplied, they're added.
Correct. I cannot on this side because the terms are not multiplied. They're added. Got it?